Hi everyone, it's Renee with Delaney Jane Cards. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in a collab with Wow Embossing Powders and several other ladies. Before we get into it here, I'm just showing you the embossing powders and I will quickly show you what it looks like on white cardstock. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this top. In the description box, you're going to find the link to the next person in the line. Please try to watch the videos all the way through. They shouldn't be any more than 10 minutes a piece. You can always use a hashtag. That it's hashtag wow embossing powder. I'll have it all linked below. But if you go to them all and you comment and you subscribe and all that stuff, it increases your chance of winning that $25 gift certificate from Wow, which is open to the US and the UK. There will be all the information will be below. But the giveaway closes on the 28th of August at 11:59 Eastern Time, and the winner will be selected August 31st. So while I was talking, I showed you the powders and I showed you them on white, and this is what I'm doing. This is the project. And my camera was being a pain in the butt. So you'll see what I'm doing here. I pressed a piece of this scrapbook.com adhesive to the top of a piece of cardstock, and then I ran it through with a pink and Maine dye, and I am picking off the backing of the top piece that you see, and it leaves the sticky spot. And I am just pouring this embossing powder onto the sticky spot, and then I'm brushing it away with this fluffy brush. And then I'm going to go ahead and heat set it. But here, I did, like I said, I didn't have all the footage, but I figured you could see what I was doing well enough that I didn't need to make this project again or, I don't know, make a different one. I just figured we're all smart enough to see that what I'm doing here with the yellow is what I did with the pink and the orange because it is what it is. I'm sorry, I have small people and sometimes I forget after I tend to some of their needs that I need to turn the camera back on. But these Wow embossing powders are super cool. The pink and the orange one, I'm trying to grab them here so that I have them available. The pink and the orange. The pink is raspberry and the orange is orangeade. Now, they are transparent, I'm sorry, and they have sparkle in them, and they're marked on their can or their little jar with a T. But the yellow one that comes in there is called Lemon Sorbet, and it is opaque, so it would show up on dark cardstock. And then I also pulled some additional ones out of my stash to finish this off. I used the Wow Metallic First Frost, and that is an opaque metallic. And I also used metallic sparkle or silver sparkle embossing glitter, and it is so sparkly and so pretty. And together, this combination is so beautiful. This metallic blue, the metallic First Frost, works so well with these pastel colors. And the silver was the neutral that I needed. I'm going to call that the neutral. This is so pretty. You could do this with glitter too, but I decided to just do it with my embossing powders, and it's just so pretty. And then I also took the die that I'm going to use for my sentiment, and I did the same thing where I cut it out of the cardstock that has the adhesive sheet on the top. I weeded out the actual word first. And I'm going to put some embossing powder on that. Same thing, wipe it away with the fluffy brush. And then I'm going to weed the next area, which is going to be the pink, I believe is what I'm going to put on there. So what I have on my sticky sheet now is just the word thanks that is in that opaque yellow called Lemon Sorbet. And I'm just peeling away what would be around the letters. So the rest of the sheet is now sticky, and I'm going to pour over that raspberry, which is this super beautiful, sparkly, translucent pink. Because I'm using white cardstock underneath it, you can see just how light and pale this is, but it would be gorgeous over a pink cardstock. Oh, it would just enhance the color so much. After I did the pink, then I took the little outside frame and I covered that in the orangeade, which is along the same lines as the raspberry is this gorgeous see-through orange, glittery, just a bunch of gorgeousness. And once I had all of the embossing powder on there, then I heated it until everything was melted and everything was set. I added a little bit of foam tape here, and I'm going to pop this up on my butterfly and add this panel to a top folding A2 size card base. This is so pretty. I totally encourage you to do it. I also encourage you to finish hopping along. $25 to wow, it could really give you, you know, quite the abundance of embossing powder. And then I'm going to finish this off with some of these silver, I don't even know what they're called. They're from Pink and Maine. I just added a few of them on there. They really went well with the silver, metallic silver sparkle embossing glitter that I used as the outline for the butterfly. I love these colors. And I did see that there's a bunch of new powders that were released over at WOW. There's a lot of different ones that are being represented in this hop. So I would, again, highly encourage you to hop along and check everybody out. And check out, you know, WOW's links, the website, like I said, everything will be below. Check it all out, and thank you very much for stopping by. I hope that this may inspire you to try something super similar. I seen this done with glitter, and I thought it was so pretty, and I thought if I did this with embossing powder, it wouldn't come off, it wouldn't flake off, there would never be the opportunity. And here I wanted to make sure that everything was melted really thoroughly, and I did bring my heat gun to it afterwards, and everything was heated up pretty nicely. Did bring a little bit of shine to some areas that might have gotten dulled a little bit, but oh, it is just so pretty. It catches the light so nicely. I look at that. It's just, it is, if you like the glitters, this is the one for you. These embossing powders are top notch. I have a ton of them in my embossing drawer, and I definitely reach for them more and more kind of near Christmas time. So here you can see the close-ups of this card and the embossing powders. I really hoped you enjoyed my video. Thank you for stopping by. Like I said, the links will be below. Use that hashtag, keep hopping along, and good luck winning the $25. And as I always say, give cards generously. Bye.